guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wendy and I'm back with another video. Okay, so if you are interested, please stay tuned. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It is free, it is the red button, and you're welcome to join this amazing, awesome family. So if you are interested, smash the subscribe button. Also, if you're an OG, thank you girl, thank you sister girl for sticking with me. Thank you so much. I see all my new subscribers and I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for sticking with moi. Okay, so if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. Also, this video is a hair, well, it's more like a talk through video. I tell you where I did a hair, what went through, how many packs I used, everything that's related to this braid. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. Okay, so for your information, this braid is the knotless braid. It's not your normal regular braid. It's called a knotless braid. So I'll show you in the next screen what a knotless braid is. So I've been wanting to do braids for a long time, but because my hair is very soft and I really wanted something that would I can keep for like 2 to 3 months. Okay, so I researched into it and I realized that there's this hair called a knotless braid and I can do it. So I'm like, why not? I don't have anything to lose, so why not try this hair? So I did this hair. And the next reason why I did this hairstyle is because of the various styling options that comes with it. I mean, you can switch to a ponytail, you can be Taylor Swift today, tomorrow you're Beyonce, the next day I'm like, I see Yami go, like all those vibes in this video. I'm like, ronke. So it's because of the styling options. That's why I chose this video. I chose this hairstyle, sorry. Okay, so I did this hair at Auntie Alice at Chado. So if you know Auntie Alice, you know that she's been in the braiding business for like 20 to 30 years now. Okay, so if you are thinking of where to get a very good braid and very like neatly done braids, Auntie Alice is the place. Auntie Alice is the blog. Okay, so that's where I did my braids. Hours did it take for me to do this? It took approximately 9 hours. They started around 2 p.m. in the afternoon and then they finished around 9. Now this hair wasn't done by one person. It was done by 5 other girls. So one person started doing the hair and then later the other girls joined and helped her to finish this hair. This is how long it takes. So if you research into the knotless braids, you'd realize that we have the large braids, we have the small ones, and we have the medium ones. Okay, so these are the 3 types of knotless braids that we have. I mean, you can do extra large, you can do micro braids, like the very small ones, but these are the ones that I know about. I mean, you can correct me in the comment section if there are other types. Now I did a medium braid. As you can see, this braid, this is the medium one. Of hair did I use for this hair? Now I used 3.5. Okay, 3.5 of outre braids. Okay, and I used the color 2 for this hairstyle. I used color 2, outre 3.5 braids. Outre 3.5 braids, and one was 15 cedis. I bought it at Auntie Alice place. I mean, if you buy it outside, it will be cheaper. You could get it from between 10 to 12 cedis. But I didn't buy one before going, so I bought it there, and it was 15 Ghana cedis. So the 3 of them, total was 52.5 cedis, and I was charged 90 Ghana cedis for this hair. So you know, everything amounted to 142 cedis. Yes. They exceeded my expectation, because from the pictures I had saved from Pinterest and Instagram, I was expecting them to do something around those ones, but they did a good job. They did my hair very well and was neatly braided. They did the box. I don't know if you can see, but they did the small boxes. I'm really happy with this hair, and I recommend them. What I love about this hair is that it's very painless. Okay guys, it is painless. It is painless. No pulling, no, none of that in this hair. In the none of that with this hair. It is not painful. I mean, I can braid it on the same day and style it the same day. I can braid it on the same day and then hold it in a band the same day. I mean, that's how painless it is. Okay, so I mean, you should consider it, and there are lots of styling options with this hair. You can do a band, you can do this, you can just leave it, or any style that you prefer. Another thing is the longevity of this hair. I didn't want to be spending a lot of time on my hair within the first quarter of the year, so I decided to go for something that will last long for me, and that will relieve me of trying to be doing my hair every day. Okay, so I'll come back and give an update whether it was able to take me through the 2 months that I anticipated it was going to. The 2 months that I anticipated. Like about this hair is the time, the number of hours it takes to do this hair, like 9 hours, because I went there, I started the hair around 2 and I finished around 9, and that's like, I spent up to, that's like 8 hours, sorry, not 9 hours. That was because some people came to help the lady that started doing this hair for me. Because if it hadn't been for that, maybe I would have gone to like 13 hours or 15 hours. Who knows? Here is the bonus tip. They are at 2 locations, one at East Legon, Okonglo, and there's one at Teshi Chadu. So I went to the Teshi Chadu branch, and I must warn you, don't go expecting a bougie salon, because it is not a salon, it's somebody's house. Yes, somebody's house with a big compound. Okay, and yes, the Chado one is behind Big Shop. So I mean, it's on the map. So immediately you enter Auntie Alice salon, it's, you should be able to get there. You can get there by using either Uber or Bolt, or you can get there using trotro or taxi, or even your own car. Whichever way that you find convenient, use that one. So when you enter the house, okay, there's no front desk or there's no reception. So you see, when you enter, you see a lot of women there, all of them braiding people's hair. So you ask them that you ask them who is on duty, like you ask for the lady on duty, and then she will be the one to show you where to be, which queue to join, what to do, what hair to buy. Like after you've shown her the picture or the hairstyle that you want to do, obviously, then she'll show you show you the queue that you will join, the kind of hair that you buy, and all those things. Now for my case, when I went, I didn't go. When I went, I didn't know who to ask, what to do, and all that. Okay, so when I went, I just spoke to one of the girls and she showed me where to go. But to make things easier for you and not to reduce any confusion, when you get there, look for the lady on duty. Okay, when you look for the lady on duty, she will be the one to assist you, to teach you what to do, show you what to do, what to buy, and all those things, all that jazz. Okay, and I must also warn you that because she's one of the best in this country, there are a lot of people that go there. So if you want to braid your hair, or if you have another plans on that same day, I would recommend that you go there very early, like maybe 5 a.m. if you can, because if you go there like 8 or 9, then sis, be rest assured that you are coming home you are coming home like after 9 or 10. You are coming home like after 9 or 10. It depends on your hairstyle, but even if you are doing cornrow rasta and there are a lot of people, you come home like 9 or 10. Yesterday I met a friend there. She was doing cornrow rasta. She started at the same time that I started. She started around 2 p.m. and she left there like 12 a.m. and she got home like 1. So if you don't want this to be you and you want to go there early and finish on time and continue with the rest of your day, please go there very early. Also, when you go there, you have to carry your power bank, your charger, your earphones, and things like that, because if it's busy and they are not yet attending to you, you might want to listen to something on your phone, want to watch something, want to read something. You can also take a book because it gets really boring. They also have well, they don't have the restaurant there, but I think the restaurant is close by. So if you are hungry, you can order food from there, and the food is ranging from like 20 cedis or so, 20 cedis going, so you should be prepared for that as well. And the thing about Auntie Alice is that she doesn't have like a fixed price, that because I said mine was 90 cedis, she will charge yours 90 cedis. It depends. Okay, it depends. So at least maybe budgets like maybe 150 cedis. Yes, budgets like 150 cedis. So if it's less, you bring the rest home. If it's more, you pay. And I mean, why would you pay such an amount for a hairstyle? And Auntie Alice is very good at what she does, and best believe that you are going to get whatever picture that you show to them, because it's not like other hairstylists that you go and show them that, oh, I want this hairstyle, and then they'll do another one for you. When you go to Auntie Alice and you show her this hairstyle, she would do it and she would deliver accordingly. Also, if you're a foreigner coming to Ghana and you are looking for where to braid, I'd recommend that you go to Auntie Alice. They are on Instagram and Facebook, everywhere. Okay, she will do justice to the hair for you. She will do justice for the hair. She'll do justice for you. Like she'll do whatever that you show to her, Okay, I mean, you can't come to Ghana and not braid your hair, sis. Feel free to comment in the comment section anything that I left out in this video, and any other braiding centers in Accra that you think I should try out. I'll be glad to try those ones out. If it was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and share with your friends. Bye. Bye.